Hi and welcome. As you know by the title, we are going to be making Reubens in the air fryer. The air fryer that I am using is a Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. My mom requested that I make a Reuben in the air fryer, and what mom wants, mom gets. So let's go ahead and get started. So technically, I believe Russian dressing is the sauce to use for Reuben sandwiches. A lot of people use Thousand Island, which I do, but today I'm just going to go ahead and make a Russian dressing. There's all kinds of different Russian dressings out there, so this is going to be basically my way of doing it. So let's get started with this. I have 1 cup of mayonnaise. To that, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of finely minced onion. You can use shallots also. Okay, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of horseradish. About a tablespoon of ketchup. I'm going to add some hot sauce to this. Not too much, about a teaspoon or so. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. About 1/4 of a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And a little bit of salt. Just a little. Okay, we're basically done. I'm going to mix this all up, and then I'm going to go ahead and chill it. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of pickled relish to this. About a good teaspoon. Now this is quite a lot. You might want to cut this recipe in half. I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. That's good. Okay, we are ready to go ahead and assemble our Reubens. I'm going to go through real quick on what I have. I have some corned beef, some Swiss cheese. This happens to be baby Swiss. I have some sauerkraut that I drained very well because we do not want our Reubens to be soggy. Some rye bread and our Russian sauce and some butter to butter the tops of our bread. So I'm just going to go ahead and butter the tops of our bread. I have some parchment paper here so I don't make a mess because I'm going to turn these over. We're going to start off with our Russian dressing. We're going to put some on both of these. Now I'm going to go on with a couple of slices of Swiss cheese. I'm going to take some of our corned beef. I think I'm going to go with 3 slices. I'm going to take some of our sauerkraut and go on top. Then I'm going to go on top with a couple more slices of Swiss cheese, and that is our Reuben. I'm going to go ahead and put this into the air fryer basket. All right, I have these in the air fryer basket. I went ahead and made another one off camera. We are ready to go pop these into the air fryer. Okay, I am going to insert a toothpick in each one of these so our bread does not fly off. Okay, I have this set on 400 degrees and we are going to go 7 minutes. Approximately halfway through, I'm going to flip these over. Since I do have 2 of these in here, it is going to be a little tricky for me to flip these over. Do not forget to take your toothpicks out. It actually wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be. Okay, I am going to put these back in the air fryer for the remainder 3 minutes. Okay, a little bit of adjustment on the cooking time. I went a total of 9 minutes because I wanted this more golden brown and I wanted to make sure that the corned beef was heated all the way through. So again, that was a total of 9 minutes. That is so good. Now, the difference between Thousand Island dressing and Russian, Thousand Island is more sweet. The Russian is more of a tart and a little spicy because of the horseradish. Either one goes very well with a Reuben. All right, I hope you like this video and give this Reuben a try in your air fryer. They come out absolutely wonderful. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it